Looking for the best dash cam to protect your vehicle and capture every moment on the road? Whether you want complete 360-degree coverage, advanced night vision, parking surveillance, or smart connectivity features, today's list has something for every driver. We've researched and selected the top 5 best dash cams of 2026. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360 dashcam. The Vantrue N5S 4-channel dashcam. This premium system offers complete 360-degree vehicle monitoring with 4 cameras covering the front, rear, cabin, and side views. It records in up to 2.7K resolution on the front camera, features Sony STARVIS 2 night vision sensors, built-in Wi-Fi, voice control, dual GPS tracking, and supports up to a massive 1 terabyte storage card. The Vantrue N5S is designed for drivers who want maximum protection and recording coverage. The 4-camera setup captures nearly every angle around your vehicle, making it ideal for rideshare drivers, fleet vehicles, and anyone concerned about security. The STARVIS 2 sensor technology delivers excellent low-light performance, while the buffered parking mode records events before and after motion is detected. The voice control system works smoothly, allowing hands-free operation while driving. Combined with dual GPS tracking and advanced parking protection, the N5S delivers one of the most complete dashcam experiences currently available. Pros: full 360-degree 4-channel coverage, excellent STARVIS 2 night vision performance, high-quality 2.7K front recording, reliable 24/7 buffered parking mode, voice control functionality, dual GPS tracking, supports up to 1 terabyte storage. If you want the most complete recording coverage and premium features available in a dashcam, the N5S is easily one of the best choices for 2026. Number 2. BOTSLAB 3K 4-channel dashcam. This model offers 360-degree coverage with front, rear, and interior monitoring, a responsive 3.18-inch touchscreen, built-in GPS, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, voice control, and includes a free 128 GB memory card. What makes the BOTSLAB stand out is its combination of user-friendly features and excellent value. The touchscreen interface is intuitive and makes adjusting settings easy. Video quality is sharp, GPS tracking works reliably, and the included memory card means you can start recording immediately. The 360-degree recording system provides peace of mind whether you're driving or parked, while the voice commands allow safer operation on the road. Pros: comprehensive 4-channel recording, large touchscreen display, built-in GPS and fast Wi-Fi, voice control support, includes a 128 GB memory card, easy-to-use interface. The BOTSLAB 3K dashcam offers an excellent balance between features, performance, and affordability, making it a great option for most drivers. Number 3. AZDOME M660 360-degree 4-channel dashcam. This unique dashcam features 4 adjustable lenses that record front, rear, left, and right views simultaneously. It captures footage in 2K plus 3 1080p channels, includes built-in 128 GB eMMC storage, 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, voice control, and infrared night vision. The M660 takes vehicle coverage seriously. The adjustable camera system allows users to customize recording angles depending on their vehicle and driving needs. The built-in eMMC storage eliminates the need for a separate memory card and offers improved reliability. The infrared night vision performs particularly well inside the vehicle, making it a solid choice for rideshare drivers who need clear cabin recordings at night. Pros: 4 adjustable camera lenses, built-in 128 GB storage included, reliable voice control, strong infrared interior night vision, flexible camera positioning, fast 5G Wi-Fi connectivity. The AZDOME M660 is an excellent option for drivers who want customizable camera angles and comprehensive vehicle coverage. Number 4. BOTSLAB 3K 4-channel dashcam with hardwire kit. This version includes a hardwire kit in the box, allowing users to immediately take advantage of advanced 24/7 parking monitoring. It also features 3K recording, 360-degree coverage, voice control, GPS, Wi-Fi, touchscreen controls, and a free 128GB memory card. The hardwire kit gives this package a significant advantage for users who prioritize parking protection. Installation is slightly more involved, but once connected, the camera can continuously monitor your vehicle for impacts, motion, and suspicious activity. The image quality remains sharp during daytime driving, and the parking surveillance system provides added peace of mind when leaving your vehicle unattended. Pros: includes hardwire kit, reliable 24-hour parking surveillance, full 4-channel coverage, touchscreen controls, GPS and Wi-Fi included, memory card included. If parking protection is your top priority, this BOTSLAB package offers outstanding value thanks to the included hardwire kit. Number 5. 70mm 4K T800 3-channel dashcam. This advanced dashcam records in stunning 4K resolution on both front and rear cameras, features Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensors, HDR night vision, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, 4G LTE support, ADAS safety features, and includes a 512GB memory card. The 70mm T800 focuses on image quality and smart technology. The 4K recording delivers exceptional detail, making it easier to identify license plates and road signs. STARVIS 2 sensors significantly improve nighttime visibility, while LTE connectivity enables remote access and notifications. The ADAS features add an extra layer of safety by providing driver alerts and assistance functions. Pros: excellent 4K video quality, advanced STARVIS 2 sensor technology, HDR night vision performance, Wi-Fi 6 and LTE connectivity, ADAS safety features, includes large 512GB storage card. So, which dashcam should you choose? Vantrue N5S, best overall dashcam for complete 360-degree protection. BOTSLAB 3K 4-channel, best value option with excellent features and usability. AZDOME M660, best for customizable camera coverage. BOTSLAB with hardwire kit, best for 24/7 parking surveillance. 70mm 4K T800, best for premium 4K image quality and smart connectivity. No matter which model you choose, investing in a quality dashcam can provide valuable evidence, enhance vehicle security, and offer peace of mind every time you hit the road.